Hello YouTube, you might remember I did make a review about this camera and the GPS module, and I did install it in my car. I didn't make a video about that yet, but I am also getting a new camera, and which is a dual camera that has obviously a backup camera, and it was supposed to be delivered yesterday. And I was supposed to make the video yesterday and did not arrive. I figured it will be delivered today. It might still. It's 3 p.m. in the afternoon, but I didn't want to miss the opportunity to promote Black Friday deals. So I did open the web page of the camera that I'm going to receive. I'm gonna to receive, yes. So this is it. But now just needs to stay focused. It is the Viofo A129-DG dual channel camera with 5 GHz Wi-Fi, full HD cameras both front and back, and it does have built-in GPS. So I will put the link in the description so you can go check it out in depth. I cannot tell you more than what I can read here myself and show you the videos, which wouldn't make sense since they're not mine. So anyway, this is just a pre-video, call it like that, a preview review. So because I don't want to miss the Black Friday deals they have, Banggood has, so I will include the links for that, and I think I have also links for flash deals. I will include that as well, and as soon as I receive the camera I will do a review on that. Here you can see actually, instead of having batteries that will go by a certain time, these use capacitors to store voltage and to run it off that. So that's pretty good. It does also have an optional Bluetooth remote that I did order, that got shipped out later on, so that will take a little longer to arrive. This is just for the emergency button that you can click and then it starts recording, or better, saving it as an emergency, so it will not get overridden by newer videos when the micro SD card is full. And you see here there's also, I don't know if you see the mouse, but right here is also the emergency button, but this might be harder to hit. Once you're in your emergency, you're not gonna go up with your finger to your windshield to try to hit this button, so it's just easier to hit this button, which is bigger, and you can place it anywhere you like. So that's that. I will getting that as well, and of course I'm looking forward to it. And the current camera, this one here, is working great. I have no complaints about it whatsoever. Obviously this was awarded a design award in 2019, and I found out that 2 of my friends are actually using this exact same camera. So I can only vouch for this, and we will see how this one turns out. It does have very good reviews, and I don't think it will be a bad camera, so it will be good. I'm pretty sure of that. So this is it. This is just a short video, like I said, so you can go check it out, order it while it's cheap, while it's on sale. Not cheap, but while it's on sale. And this is it. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And thank you again, Banggood, for sending me out these great cameras, because I did have a hit and run on my car once, and then I had a kid hit me with his e-scooter, and the cops took his side. They knew him personally, so, and here in Bulgaria, whoever has connections can get away with murder. If you don't know anybody, and then you can just lose even if you're right. I mean, this kid was driving at night with no lights on, no vest, no helmet, no nothing, not even the e-scooter wasn't even registered. And I did get eventually my money to fix the car, but the bumper had it was ripped a little bit, and no matter how good you fix it, it will rip again in the same position. Anyway, that's another story. So these cameras, especially these days with all the road rage going on, it's definitely worth having, so you can prove your side. And what is better than having a video and maybe even sound, because it does record sound obviously. So what's better than that? I mean, like in the United States, every cop has now a body cam, and I guess we are living in those times that you need to protect yourself, otherwise you could end up losing. Anyways, everybody, stay safe and enjoy your upcoming weekend, and go shopping if you can. Take care, everybody.